student, let's start a very important theorem. Theorem is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the point on the remaining part of the circle. This theorem is very important as you have to apply to solve the whole exercise 10.5. Okay, और anyways ये वैसे भी theorem important है. So to clear your concept, see what this theorem says. This theorem says that the angle subtended by an arc at the center. So I am drawing a circle here. Look at this circle. This is a circle and the angle subtended at the center. So this is the central angle. Suppose this is A and this is B. And what this theorem says, the angle subtended by an arc AB at the center is double the angle at the remaining part of the circle. is double remaining part कौन सा है इसका, ये वाला, इस angle का वो double होगा. That is the question. I mean that is the theorem. Means suppose if this is 30 degree, this central angle will be 60 degree. Okay. If this is 40 degree, then this will be 80 degree. राइट. सेंट्रल एंगल जो होता है द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क एट द सेंटर, ये सेंट्रल एंगल जो होता है इट इज डबल द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय इट एट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल. इफ दिस इज द केस, लाइक दिस इज अ सेंट्रल एंगल और अगर रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल यहाँ पे है सपोज, तो ये इन दोनों का क्या होगा कि ये जो होगा, अगर सपोज अगर ये 60 डिग्री है तो ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा 120 डिग्री, ये इसका डबल. एंड कन्वर्स ऑफ इट, सपोज यू नो द सेंट्रल एंगल, सो यू कैन फाइंड द एंगल विच इज सबटेंडेड एट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल. लाइक इफ दिस इज 90 डिग्री, देन दिस एंगल विल बी हाफ ऑफ 90 विच विल बी इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. All right. Now let's prove this theorem. To prove this theorem, we have drawn three circles, three different situations. Here, see, look, in situation 1, POQ is a minor, either the PQ is minor arc, right? Here PQ is semicircle क्योंकि ये center से draw किया है, PQ is a diameter. And in third case, this PQ is a major arc. This theorem applied in all the situation. Only जो third situation है वहाँ पे angle POQ जो होगा, it will become a reflex angle POQ. Okay, will be double the angle subtended at the remaining part of the circle, that is PAQ. Okay. So given, what is given? We have given an arc PQ of a circle. Subtending angle POQ at the center. See this POQ at the center O and PAQ at a point A. This is the remaining part of the circle. PAQ on the remaining part of the circle. And what is TPT? The central angle POQ, that is POQ is double the angle at subtended at remaining part of the circle, is double of angle PAQ. This is the TPT. To prove this, we have drawn a three different situation. Why? Because यहाँ पे आपको सेमी सर्कल माइनर आर्क बताना है, यहाँ पे सेमी सर्कल का सिचुएशन है, and this is a reflex angle, and this theorem applicable in all these three situations. That's why while proving the theorem, if it is asked in the exam, you have to draw the three diagrams. Okay, now to prove this theorem we need a construction. All right, what is the construction? Let us join AO and extend it to the point B. In all the three situations AO is joined and AO is extended up to B. Okay, इसे और सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए हम एक काम कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे एंगल 1 दे देते हैं, यहाँ एंगल 2 दे देते हैं, यहाँ एंगल 3 दे देते हैं और यहाँ पर एंगल यहाँ पे एंगल 3 दिया, यहाँ पे एंगल 4 दे दीजिए और यहाँ पे एंगल 5 दे दीजिए. Okay, now listen, you know the exterior angle property, right? What is the exterior angle property? The exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. So if I talk about angle AOQ, इसका exterior angle है angle 5, right? So can I say कि angle 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2? Yes, by exterior angle property. Now in triangle OAQ, OA is equal to OQ. So the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle 1 और angle 2 भी क्या हो जाएंगे, equal हो जाएंगे. And then we can write, since 1 and 2 is equal and 5 is equal to 1 plus 2, angle 5 is equal to double of angle 1. And similarly we can prove angle 4 is equal to double of angle 3. And when we will add these two statements, it will be 1 plus 3 and 4 plus 5. You will get the resulting TPT. Alright, so let's start proving. Proof करते समय और आपको अच्छे से clear हो जाएगा. सबसे पहले तो एंगल BOQ, एंगल BOQ, that is angle 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. Now, in triangle AOQ, we can write AO equal to OQ. Why? Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. See this figure. Okay, here AO equal to OQ, radii of the same circle, and that's why angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we can write here, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and therefore we can write ki angle BOQ is equal to angle 1 और angle 2 equal है. तो अगर हम 2 की जगह 1 को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं तो हम इसे लिख सकते हैं डबल ऑफ एंगल 1 एंड गिव इट नंबर 1. Similarly, we can prove angle BOP. Look at the figure, BOP. This is BOP. Or you can say angle 4, which it will be also double of angle 3, क्योंकि सेम सिचुएशन है, ये दोनों इक्वल है, तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होगा, तो एंगल 4 जो होगा, I mean BOP जो होगा, it will be double of angle 3. So here you can write BOP is equal to double of angle 3. Give it number 2. Can I add 1 and 2? Adding 1 and 2. What you will get adding 1 and 2? You will get angle BOQ, this angle BOQ plus angle BOP is equal to double of angle 1 plus double of angle 3. BOQ plus BOP, BOQ plus BOP, you will get angle POQ. Angle POQ is equal to double we can take 2 common in 1 plus angle 3. So angle POQ is equal to double of 1 plus 3. Look it into the figure. 1 और 3 को हम ऐड करते तो हमें मिलता है PAQ. This is double of angle PAQ. Hence prove the TPT. Only in third case क्या होगा? Second case में भी यही होगा. In third case where PQ is the major arc. वहाँ पे PQ आपका major arc है. PQ is major arc. It will be reflex angle POQ. Reflex angle POQ is double of angle PAQ. Hence proved.